Welcome to Thomas Tire Sales. Today we would like to show you a few things that will help you navigate through our new website. Let's get started. The top menu has 7 tabs that will help you navigate through our site. When you click on the Home tab, it will bring you back to the home page. When selecting the Information tab, this will allow you to review tech information, videos, and other important information we share with our customers. The About tab contains information on Thomas Tire Sales, located in Monroe, North Carolina. My Account is where all your information is kept. You can view all your orders, quotes, and any saved orders you are working on. You can store multiple shipping addresses and credit cards. If you purchase the same items, you can click on a previous order and click on the Reorder button and it will create a new order ready for checkout. The next tab, Contact Us, will give you our contact information, address, and directions to our location. Now that we have covered these key tabs, let's see how to find products on our site. You can select any of the categories located in the black header. Let's select New Tires. This will open your next view with all new tires we offer online. If you would like to choose a commercial light trailer tire, or commercial light truck, select either of those tabs located under the header of New Tires. Another nice feature is Search by Manufacturer. Select the manufacturer drop-down box. Select the manufacturer you would like to view and press Enter. This will bring up all tire we carry for that manufacturer. The search bar is a very powerful tool, which will allow you to search for any words or numbers that you might like to find on the website. In the search bar, let's enter 295. And press Enter. It will search our website for all items that has the number 295 in the information or part number. Now just select the item you are looking for and add to your cart. Now that you are ready to check out, you can review the items in your cart, update item quantities, or delete any unwanted item. You can now check to see what shipping option you have and select the one that fits your needs. If you have an advertising coupon, drop down the Apply Coupon arrow and enter it. Now let's proceed to checkout. This is your final step to complete your order. Finish filling out your information, check your shipping options, and credit card information. Press the Checkout button at the bottom of the page. You will receive a copy of your order and your product will be on its way. We would like to thank you for choosing Thomas Tire Sales to service your commercial tire needs. We appreciate your business.